Are you struggling to showcase your products in a way that truly captures your customer attentions? Introducing Product Slider, the all-in-one solution for your WooCommerce store. With the Product Slider, you can seamlessly organize your products, highlight popular items, and allow customers to filter through your offerings easily. Hi there, Haris here from ShapedPlugin. In this video, I will show you the Product Slider plugin's top features and how to showcase your products effortlessly. Let's see the top features that help you transform your store into an engaging and high-converting shopping experience. First, choose from various layouts including slider, ticker, multi-row carousel, live filter, grid, masonry, list, and table to showcase your products in the most visual appealing way. Allow customers to quickly filter products by categories, price, best selling, top rated, on sale, and more, making it easier for them to find exactly what they want. Get started first with over 30 ready-made templates designed to make your store look sleek and professional in minutes. Tailor your store appearance with full control over template customization so you can create a look that fits your unique brand. Enable customer to filter in real time with options like new arrivals, featured, best selling, top rated, and on sale. Draw attention to special product with customizable sale and out of stock ribbons, adding urgency and visibility. With the wishlist and quick view buttons, your customers can save products they love for later and get a detailed view without leaving the current page. This makes the shopping experience even more seamless and enjoyable. Customizing the Add to Cart button color, size, and style to better align with your store design and encourage more purchases. Engage customers with product image flipping and lightbox effect that offer a closer look at your products, enhancing the shopping experience. Completely transform the layout of your shop, category, tag, and search pages for a more dynamic and user-friendly interface. Increase your chances of additional sales by transforming the layout of upsells and related products to make them more attractive and prominent. We have just explored the top features that makes the Product Slider plugin a must-have for any online store. Now let me show you how easy it is to create a beautiful product slider and set up a live filter in just a few steps. Navigate to your site dashboard and make sure WooProduct Slider Pro plugin is installed and activate. From the left-hand side menu, click on Add New to create a new shortcut and give it a title. Below that, select a layout from 8 different options. I am selecting Slider. Now from the Display Settings Configuration tab, you can choose a layout from 30 pre-made templates or create a custom template if you prefer more control over the design. I am selecting Theme 2 and you will have a preview of it. Now publish the shortcode and go to a page where you want to display it. Insert the shortcode using the WooProduct Slider Pro Gutenberg block. Select a shortcode and you will have a preview of it. Now publish the page and view it. You can see how beautifully your products are displaying. You can customize it to make it more professional and user-friendly. Now go back to the plugin configuration tabs again and let's create a live filter. Choose the layout as live filter and you will have 3 types of live filters like carousel, multi-row, and grid. I am selecting grid. Now go to the filter settings configuration tabs and here you will get the options about the filter types. Like you can select from new arrivals, featured, best selling, top rated, and on sale. So I am selecting all of those. Update the shortcode and refresh the page. You can see a live filter in action, which engages more customers. But remember, these are just a few of the many options available in the Product Slider plugin. You can change the filter button styles from the display settings and live filter styles. Like you can select tab underline. Let's see how it looks. So this is how the tab underline styles look like. Let's take a look at the Product Slider plugin's backend to explore the features in more detail. Go back to the plugin settings and here you'll get 8 different layout options to choose from. and below that you will get 5 configuration tabs. Initially you will be in the filter settings. Here you will get 21 plus filtering options for your products, show or hide out of stock products, on sale products and more. Next, on the display settings configuration tabs, you will find basic preferences options, template styles, product information configuration options, product badges like on sale, out of stock ribbon and add to cart button styling. On the image settings configuration tab, you will find the options to enable or disable image flipping, image custom dimensions, lazy load, lightbox, image modes and more. In the slider settings configuration tab, you will find the general configuration options, navigation and pagination properties to configure and more. Customize your product typography as you like using those options. Now navigate to replace layout. Using those options, you can replace your shop category tag and search page layouts easily. Simply just create a shortcode, then enable the option and choose the shortcode you have created. And that's it. Your shop category tag and search pages will be replaced with the Product Slider plugin's shortcode. So that's all about the Product Slider plugin's features. You have seen how effortless it is to manage and display your products professionally. Whether you are looking to highlight your key products, create seamless navigation or add a touch of customization, this plugin has all the tools you need. So go ahead and explore the possibilities and start turning your visitors into customers today. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your WooCommerce store. If you have any further queries, feel free to drop a comment below. We are here to help.